Hartford, but changes are coming. We're back to this winter chill, and with this winter chill, some caution this morning. We are looking at the possibility for some slick spots from any leftover moisture from the rain yesterday. This is not going to be a widespread issue because the wind really helps to kind of evaporate most of that moisture, but it is something to watch for due to how cold it is this morning. Our next threat is a wintry mix potential. We're watching that as we move toward Tuesday, but for now it is dry. Reflecting on just how powerful the storm was yesterday, we saw wind gusts of 81 miles per hour at Blue Hill, and many of us saw wind gusts over 60. So waking up this morning, while it's not a calm wind, it feels much calmer than yesterday, and it will continue to feel that way through the rest of this afternoon as the wind actually starts to weaken through the afternoon hours. Right now, we're seeing wind gusts of 20 to about 30 miles per hour. This is as strong as the wind is going to get today. We actually see it continuing to weaken through this afternoon, and I expect we'll see wind gusts staying below 20 miles per hour through the rest of today. We're sitting in the 20s for many of the suburbs, 29 in Plymouth right now, 29 in Fitchburg, downtown Boston 33. So it is just cold enough for some slick spots this morning before making our way toward the upper 30s this afternoon. Still a cool day, but compare this to yesterday. It's about a 20-degree drop, a little bit closer to what's considered average. Our average high in the upper 30s to low 40s. Sunshine, that's going to be around today, but clouds will start to gather right ahead of sunset. I do want to mention our feel like temperature. That's something you'll want to consider. Even though the wind's not very powerful, the wind is just stirring enough that we'll see our wind chill factor stay a little bit closer to the freezing point for the rest of this afternoon. And yes, clouds are gathering tonight into tomorrow. We have this disturbance that's passing by. With this passing through, we warm to the mid 40s, but you can see how this piece of energy triggers snow showers up near the Canadian border tomorrow. And that's something we'll watch getting a little closer to home tomorrow. So let's get through the timeline. 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, and you can see a few snowflakes through Vermont, New York, and into northern New Hampshire, really staying closer to the Canadian border. It gets a little bit closer to our area through the evening. You'll see a lot of clouds passing through in the afternoon and into tomorrow night. I have this paused around 9 because I want to show how you can see there's clearly this disturbance passing through with a line of clouds passing through the area, but the model suggests that most of the snowflakes will stay out toward the Berkshires and heading farther northwest. Heads up though, because if you do have any sort of outdoor plans tomorrow, I wouldn't be surprised if we see perhaps a flake or two. And then as the wind starts to kick in tomorrow night, some ocean effect snowflakes on the outer Cape tomorrow night. We are looking ahead to our more widespread precipitation, and that is something we're watching for Tuesday. The timeline and track of this still uncertain, but at this point we can say with more certainty there will likely be a period of light snow early Tuesday before change over to that rain. And that changeover in timing is critical in determining how much snow we will see before the rain moves in. But at this point, because temperatures are staying in the upper 30s, I would say it's not